and welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be doing a demo and review of the Cauldron bath bomb from out of the Yo Witchin Halloween pack that was released back in 2019 from Bird Bath & Body. I received this bath bomb in a seconds box, so I'm not actually sure what the scent is. Sometimes in seconds boxes they will include things that were perhaps not labeled or something like that, so unfortunately that is what's happened in this situation, but it did smell pretty good. It was kind of sweet. I don't know, it's a little bit hard to describe, but overall it was a really fun time, just as it is with every bath bomb that I get from Bird Bath & Body. And as you should know by now, if you have been watching my videos for a while, that I am a brand rep for this company, which means that if you would like to make a purchase from them, all you have to do is go ahead and put in my code, which is spiritual15, into the checkout, and you will receive a 15% discount off your order. This is actually the last Halloween bath bomb demo that I'm going to be doing for this year's spooky season, so I hope you guys have enjoyed, and I hope that your spooky season has been a really good one despite the current climate of the world. So anyway guys, if you have been enjoying my content, please do not forget to subscribe if you haven't already, and while you're there, why not click that little bell icon next to the subscribe button to be notified every single time that I upload a brand new video. And if you enjoyed this video, please be sure to click the like button and let me know in the comments down below what you'd like to see on my channel next. Thank you all so very much for watching, and until next time, stay spooky.